how to delete your Shein account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to delete your Shein account permanently, then head over to your Shein app and go to the gear icon in the top right corner and then tap on manage my account. Now there you can see delete account, tap on it, and then you can see to apply to delete to account, you will need to submit a deletion request and all accounts registered with the verified email address or phone number will be deleted from our system. So you will need ID verification and then uh, you need to settle your wallet. Make sure that your wallet balance is empty and then make sure that you have no pending orders or returns for this account and then tap on apply to delete account. So after you have done all these, Shein will delete all personal data of your account and then it will delete your Shein account permanently. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.